Hi guys, this is the Precise audio blog, and I wanted to make a small review on this amp. This is a Hartke KB12. It has 500 watts, okay, of power. Uh, this is a lot, okay. Um, this thing, the cone here is very nice. I mean, the sound is fantastic. I am not going to test the sound. You can check that in other YouTube video. I bought this app because I wanted to record bass by miking the amp. Okay. Um, Turns out that um, the amp, when I put the mic close to close to the cone, um, makes a lot of noise for me. Okay, I'm going to close the microphone of the cell phone so you can hear that. Okay, maybe for you it's a little, but believe me, once I'm recording, it's a lot. Um, Apart from that, when you have this amp on for around 10 to let's say 15 minutes, you have a fan here, okay? And this thing um, starts working, after 10 or 15 minutes, the amp is on. And that thing is like, uh, sounds like crazy. Like I am not um, overreacting here. Um, I'll wait for the amp to turn out so you know what I'm talking about. Um, if we take these facts apart, if you want this amp to just jam or rehearse or play live, I truly recommend it. Okay, I truly recommend it. The sound is awesome. There's a new line of Hartke. It's called HD. Okay, I tried those and I didn't like it. I didn't like them. I'm sorry at all. This one has a very clean sound, very powerful, very warm sound. Okay, you have this shape on off button. It used to be in the B120. I used to have that amp. It was like 120 watts and it was like way bigger than this one. And you can play with this knob. The shape is very nice and you can turn it off as well. Um, and that's it. But in my humble opinion, if you want this amp to put a mic on it, uh, I would suggest you to try it first if someone has it. Um, I'm thinking about. I'm actually going to sell this one, but I got it for a very very nice price, new. So I'm probably going to gain some money. I'm sorry, someone is writing on WhatsApp. But yeah, so if you want to record this amp, but mic it, I would not recommend it. At least doesn't work for me. But once again, if you want to play with your friends, rehearsal, like playing like small gigs, whatever, it's a very nice amp. And you have this thing that I haven't speak about, that you can, you can put it so the amp, the cone is looking at you. I don't know if that is that cool, but you can use it anyway. So I think I'm going to wait until the fan starts, so you can hear what I'm talking about. Okay, so later. Okay, I I waited the time, so I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, so there. I hope you can hear something, but here is the thing that really. Okay, so there is the fan, and the fan is working after 10-15 minutes being on. So hear this. So when I'm miking this amp and I have that, um, I was running through hell, to be honest. I was like, what the hell is going on? I didn't know if my interface was, I don't know, broken or something. And then I realized this. And I couldn't do anything. So I don't know, guys. I would not recommend this amp if you want to mic it. I mean, if you want to record, because when you have like an isolated room, or I mean a quiet room, even if only quiet room, that noise here is going to get in the microphone, no matter what you do. Of course, you can use a there's a noise reduction plugins, okay, but those affect the frequency of the bass somehow. They help, but it's not ideal. Do it. So I'm thinking that in the future, I'm going to buy Eden. There is I can't remember the model, but it's like 50 watt amp, and I think with this one here, like I just had the volume here, and it was like too much. So I figured that with 50 watt, this is 500, by the way, like it's a lot. I used to have like a B120, and it was like this high. It was way bigger and heavier. This is very small, very small, and it has 500. So again, I think I'm going to buy a 50 watt amp to mic it. I'm thinking on this one Eden, but I'll see if it had some kind of sound. But once again, if you want to rehearse and jam, gigs, small gigs, even medium gigs, you can you can defend yourself with this one here. So that's it, guys. Hope this is helpful for you. Once again, if you want to mic a bass amplifier, think twice if you're going to buy this one. I didn't mention when I bought it. I thought that was a I don't a technical issue. It's not, because I changed it. It's the model is like that. Okay, so I've heard that the fan is not good quality. Okay, but if you want to buy this amp and change the fan, it's going to be very expensive. So I would definitely not recommend that as well, because it's a choice. And I tried the HD, but I didn't pick them because of the color, the sound. But this one, this thing sounds great. But once again, if you want to mic it, not a good idea. So that's it, guys. Hope this video is helpful. If you're looking for a bass amplifier, we have this thing here. So it's really, really a shame. It's really a shame because the amp is very nice, and it's quite good for the price. It's very nice. Hartke. I've worked with Hartke before. Like I was telling you, I had the B120. They don't make that model anymore. It was replaced with a kickback. I remember I bought that one, the B120, and the kickback just went out, and I decided with the B120. I don't know why, but the cone was different though. This one's here is this version of the kickback. I think this is the last model that they have. Is they improve it. You know, it's way better than the first one. The first one I didn't like it whatsoever. But this one here is very nice for that. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.